Welcome from Malibu Beach, and this is the day that I spontaneously decided to record my personal practice with an aspiration of showing how easy a yoga practice might be and how informal it can be. Because so very often we overcomplicate the practice, and something that has to be nurturing and loving becomes another to-do thing. And here it is, just simple as that, as an example for you to taste, to maybe move together. And some other times you will hopefully just drop into your body and feel what is. Make yourself comfortable in cross-legged position. Close your eyes, tune in. Hands to your forehead, to your heart. Welcome yourself into a loving, spontaneous practice. And my body starts moving, starts breathing, and entering the spine. This is something really very delicious for our bodies because during the day we have so much pressure and tension over there. So moving your spine, breathing in, expanding the chest, opening the chest. And from here I land my hands backwards, make sure the wrists are safe. And with an inhale, open the chest, hips also coming up. Yes, that's all. And twisting to one side, twisting to another side. I do pay attention how I breathe. This is a wonderful opportunity for us to remember to breathe. And yes, the body slowly moves forward. Inhale and exhale, coiling in, inhaling, heart forward. Very beautiful for the lower back. Staying with the breath. Now coming into all fours and Balasana, child's pose. Again, all fours. Exhale, Balasana, child's pose. And as you can see, I really don't follow any linear way of practicing and tuning into my body. I just move as it feels like. From the child's pose, it just felt like opening up the chest, the right hand. I've never actually done that before, really. Inhale and exhale. I'm not saying that it does not exist. It obviously exists. But just following the body, and the body knows. Okay, that's my monkey style. Opening the hips, kind of malasana, the squatting position situation, the physical situation. Yet I allow myself here to move from the stable foundation. I know what I'm doing. I'm listening, I'm tuning in, I'm not thinking about what I'm gonna eat in half an hour. I'm being present here and now. Just making myself comfortable in positions and stretching that comfort into something more delicious. And another side is kind of twisting and really putting my elbow into the inside of the knee and helping with a hand-on adjustment on my own body to open the hip and enter deeper. And then I move myself to downward facing dog pose. Obviously here I can't see exactly my alignment, how that goes, because I am on sand and so on, but that feels good. That feels good, that's healthy. Feels like normal okayness. The right leg forward from the outside, and now it's a low lunge. So opening the hip, lowering down the left foot, and playing, exploring sahaja, spontaneous move. Allow that your breathing to dance within. And I know that it might sound only like mystical words, but as long as you just keep practicing it, everything is gonna come. And now I'm bending the left knee and sitting on my both hips, grounded. I really feel stable. If the knee joint doesn't feel good, you can bring your calf forward. And as I breathe, my body wants to move my own way. There is no correct way. Gently folding forward and then rising. Yes, and this extension of the front body feels also very nourishing for me. And Malibu on the sunset, that was the magical day. Wow, spent it solo all day. Okay, and now coming back on all fours, Balasana Child's Pose. All fours. Exhaling, downward facing dog pose. Stretch it out. Pedal the left side now from the outside of the body. Open up. Heart opens. And it's not every day we can practice yoga under these circumstances that I am here right now in the video, and that's totally fine. We can move and love ourselves everywhere in the world. I'm bending the back leg. It's a beautiful thigh and a stretcher and a hip opener. Front hip. Now sitting, so yes, check out for your right knee integration. No pain is needed here. And I breathe, and the breath is just moving my body. So simple. Everything else is just a resistance, nothing more than that. And yes, sometimes we have to play the demo version, so to practice. Maybe we can't feel it right now, but it's coming. Now, again, low lunge from here. Feels good for the hip, to back it up. And now, child's pose again. From here, anything that brings you more comfort and balance to your nervous system can stay sitting, watching sunset with me. And now when I feel like, oh, so good, I filmed all this so I can come back to the memories of this incredible day, those other memories, those, the most beautiful days of our lives, and not every day is like that. But if we can always remember that, yeah, there will be another day just perfect as today.